Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your stock exhaust louder. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to prevent accidental shorts while you work on wiring or sensors. Inspect hangers, clamps, and heat shields for rust or damage and loosen the sections you plan to modify. Keep a clear workspace, have tools laid out, and plan tests at low throttle first to avoid surprises. A few simple tweaks can change tone and volume quickly. Start with the easiest options like removing a resonator or loosening a muffler packing if accessible. You can also alter valve actuators or flaps that control flow, but make small adjustments and test frequently. Note that removing components can change back pressure and may trigger check engine lights, so be ready to revert or use a proper tune if needed. If you want a more permanent and dramatic change, consider moderate upgrades like a catback or high-flow muffler designed for your car. Straight-through mufflers yield a deeper, more aggressive tone, while axle-back kits focus on rear sound without changing mid-pipe parts. Have components professionally fitted to avoid leaks and rattles, and choose materials like stainless steel to resist corrosion and keep the new sound consistent over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.